In a lively village called Riverbend, there lived a bright little girl named Rachael. She had sparkling brown eyes, braided hair tied with colorful ribbons, and a mind as quick as lightning. Everyone in the village said, "If there's a puzzle to solve, Rachael will solve it." Rachael loved exploring the woods near her home. She would collect berries, pick wildflowers, and listen to the birds sing. But deep in those woods lived a sly snake named Slither, known for his tricks. He was long, shiny, and always looking for a way to fool others to get what he wanted. One sunny morning, Rachael wandered into the woods with her basket. She was humming happily when suddenly, hiss, Slither appeared, coiling around a tree branch. "Well, well," Slither hissed smoothly. "Hello, little girl. What are you carrying in that basket?" "Just some berries for my grandmother," Rachael replied politely. Slither's tongue flicked in and out. "Those look delicious. Why don't you share them with me?" But Rachael knew the snake was greedy. If she gave him her berries, he would only demand more. She also remembered the village elder's warning. Never trust sweet words from someone with selfish intentions. Thinking quickly, Rachael smiled. "Of course, Mr. Snake, but you must earn them. I'll give you these berries if you can answer my riddle." Slither's eyes gleamed. He loved challenges, though he wasn't as clever as he thought. "Ask me, little one. I'll win easily." Rachael cleared her throat and asked, "I speak without a mouth. I hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I?" Slither coiled tighter, confused. He twisted and thought, but no answer came. At last he hissed angrily, "I don't know." Rachael giggled. "The answer is an echo. You lost, Mr. Snake." The snake thrashed his tail in frustration. "Clever girl, but I'll still take your basket." He lunged forward, only to tumble into a net of vines Rachael had quickly tied between two trees while he was distracted. The snake wriggled and hissed, caught in the trap. "Let me out," he cried. Rachael shook her head. "You wanted to trick me, but I outsmarted you. Maybe next time you'll think twice before being greedy and unkind." She freed him only after he promised never to bother her again. Rachael returned home safely, her basket still full of berries. Her grandmother hugged her tightly and said, "Rachael, today you showed courage and wisdom. You learned two great lessons. Never let greed control you, and use your wits to solve problems instead of fighting with anger." From that day on, Rachael was known as the girl who outsmarted the cunning snake, and whenever the villagers faced a tricky problem, they often said with a smile, "Think like Rachael, be clever and brave." Two life lessons. 1. Greed leads to trouble. Always be content with what you have. 2. Wisdom and clever thinking are stronger than anger or fear. Stay calm and use your mind to solve problems. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.